Today, I have 10 profitable business that you would like to hear. 10 profitable business that you can start up with just 20k. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Hey there, I am Keke Maris. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we have 10 profitable business I am going to share with you on how to make money in the comfort of your home with just 20,000 Naira capital. The number one we have on our list is the Chin Chin production business. Chin Chin is a snack that a lot of people like. If you know how to bake Chin Chin, you can go into Chin Chin production business by selling this online or sharing it to local markets or even traffic areas. Chin Chin business is something that will fetch you a lot of profits. And if you don't know how to produce this Chin Chin, don't worry. Go online, watch recipes on YouTube, and those recipes will guide you step by step on how to venture into that production. The next I have on my list is the popcorn. Ooh, I love popcorn. A lot of people love popcorn. And you can sell this in event areas and even traffic areas. Go ahead and start your popcorn business with less than 20k. And you can also learn recipes on YouTube. The next I have on my list is the fruit juice. Combine flavors together like watermelon, orange, different kind of fruit. Learn how to combine flavors together and start making money with fruit juice. A lot of people want to stop taking carbonated drink and they don't know where to get natural juice. You can start up your fruit juice business at the comfort of your home and with just 20,000 Naira. The next I have on my list, which is the number 4, is the sugarcane juice. Sugarcane is packed with a lot of nutrients that is healthy for our body. Go right there, get your sugarcane and flavor it up and start up a business. The 5th I have on my list is Zobo drink. The Nigerian or the African beverage. Zobo drink is also packed with a lot of nutrients. It is called hibiscus flower. You can spice it up with some spices like ginger and so on. So, start selling your Zobo drink and start making money in the comfort of your home and even your local market. The next I have on my list is the yogurt production. You can make yogurt in your home. There are different kind of flavors to this yogurt. There was a particular yogurt I purchased and they flavor it with some coconuts and what did they call this thing? They sweeten it with dates, some dates. It was sweetened with dates and coconuts. You can also create your own recipe. Go ahead, if you don't know how to make yogurt, go ahead and watch some YouTube channel. I am going to drop a link of a YouTube channel in the description box on how to make yogurt.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your yogurt parfait for business, okay, to make enough profits or even for your consumption. Just keep on watching.
I'll be leaving a link to this video in my description box. Go and watch this video and you will learn a lot.
If you have watched this video to this point, I want to say thank you. The number 10 is, it is a business I would like to try, and I won't want you to miss that particular business because it might be something that you want to also venture in. So do well to watch this video to the end. And before I continue, please like this video, share it to friends and family, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, our number 7 today is soya milk. There are different ways on making your soya milk. You can make it dry and you can make it into a milk, that's a liquid milk form. So you can also watch YouTube on how to make soya milk. I'm going to drop a link on my description box on how to make this milk if you don't know how to do that. The number 8 I have is Tigernut drink. This Tigernut is packed with a lot of nutrients and it is also dairy-free drink. So go ahead and learn how to make this and start making money right away. With just 20,000 naira, you can start up this business. But 9 on my list is plantain chips. Plantain chips is another lucrative business. It will fetch you a lot of money. So, spicing your plantain up and package it very well, very attractive, and start making money. And the number 10, which I just said is something I would also like to venture is multipurpose soup. Visit a chemical shop, get your ingredients, and start making your multipurpose soup in the comfort of your home.
I'm going to leave a link of this video in the description box, and I hope you find this video a helpful one for you to learn how to make this multipurpose soup. It is pretty easier, and this person took step by step on how to make this soup, and she used a very little amount on purchasing the ingredients.
Purpose, meaning that you can use it to wash your countertops, you can use it to wash clothes, your car, to mop the floor, and a whole lot. And of course, the first task would be to find a place to get these chemicals, and it's pretty easy. The secret is simply to ask questions. Just ask, where can I get chemicals? And this was my first time patronizing this vendor, and all I did was to ask questions, where can I get chemicals? And he directed me. So if I could do this the first time, it means you can do it. So just ask questions. So when you get there, simply tell them that you want ingredients for soup.
With that being said, we have come to the end of this video. If you don't know how to start making this production, I will leave a link on my description box. Go to my description and watch those videos on how to produce these things and start making money right away. And please, I would like to know what business you want to venture in. Please do well to drop that in the comment section, and I will be glad to connect with you. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I love you, and please do not forget to share this video to friends and family that you know that can benefit from it. With that being said, Bye bye. See you in my next video. I have something interesting for you.